Hi everyone!
Hi!
It's our favorite day. It's Saturday and we're talking about, it's all about me time, right? Saturday. So today we decided to talk about how to actually physically treat your body the right way. Because sometimes you don't even know what your body needs. And I found like sometimes people know what to do with their face, but they forget how to like take care
of your body.
Yeah. And so let's start. I found like one of the most popular way of taking some me time. It's all about like taking a bath and stuff, right?
My favorite.
Like she loves it. She likes taking a bath. So what do you put in your bath?
My bath ritual, usually it's warm water, but not too hot because I don't want to irritate my skin. I love to put Epsom salt in my bath because it helps relax my muscle, good magnesiums, helps to cleanse.
It really helps for like bloating, I found.
Yes. Helps a lot for bloating.
Yeah.
So anyway, it just makes me feel better. Sometimes I'll put, you can actually buy Epsom salt that has lavender essential oil, or if not, I might put essential oil because it smells good and it's relaxing. So if you like smells and things like that, or maybe a bath bomb. And I like the lighting. I adjust my lighting to what I need. What I want is relaxing in my bathtub. So it could be like a candle, or sometimes I take my daughter's, she's got a little light in her bedroom that just has the right amount of like pink and blue, so it gives it like a nice little color. Or sometimes I'll read, and just so then I'll put more. Yeah, but that's my usual. And I've got a pillow for my bag.
See, I love taking my bath too. My bathroom here needs some renovation since I moved. I don't take that as much. Yeah. I should definitely invest in a new bath.
You can come to my place.
And but I found like also other stuff that you can take while you're taking your bath or your shower. Like exfoliate, okay? So take the time to grab something to exfoliate your skin. You'll feel so much better after, and it's taking the time to touch you. And I know it sounds funny, but it's just like reconnecting with yourself. Sometimes just like taking like a good scrub and like massaging it, and just like you just get connected again to your body, and then you'll feel so much like softer. It's good. And then it'll help with ingrown hair and all that. It's really good.
I have a glove.
Yeah, you can take the glove also. When it comes to exfoliant, there's different one that you can have. You can have like when I say a mechanical exfoliant, that means that you would feel the texture in it. So I found like something that's like sugary base or like caffeine also. It's really good. So caffeine will also help for the circulation.
Cellulite?
Yeah, cellulite, definitely. It's a go-to. Or you can have like a chemical. That's something that I also like. It's a chemical exfoliant. It really helped for me be the overall brightening of your skin and building collagen and elastin. So there's advantage of using like the mechanical one for cellulite and all that, but the chemical one, it's really good for just overall improving the elasticity as we age, right? Like your skin start getting more saggy, so like something with like a glycolic acid in it will definitely help. Also, you can use like maybe you have like little bumps, especially on your bum area. If you work out a lot, you may get like little like body pimple. So using a cleanser or an exfoliator that have like salicylic acid in it, will really help fight that little like bacteria and just like overall like clogged pores. Dead cells, really a good option. So that's definitely important. So once a week, take your bath and finish with like an exfoliant, and then when you're done that, use a moisturizer, and then moisturize completely. Again, make your skin so soft and help with cellulite, and just it protects your skin against like free radical. So super important to have like a good moisturizer. I strongly suggest having a moisturizer that have like maybe a little bit of vitamin C in it, that's full of free radical against like pollution, sun exposure, just like again slow down the natural breakdown of collagen and elastin. Super important. And you can have something like hyaluronic acid in it.
Oh, I love that.
That really trap the moisture. You know how when we go down south and like our skin is so nice and fluffy and plump, right? It's because there's so much moisture in the air. We don't really have that in the winter conditions. So having like hyaluronic acid will make your body attract all that moisture and just keep it inside. So really good ingredient to have in your...
It's my best friend.
Yeah. Have it. So that would be my suggestion to exfoliate your body. Then so, and then after that, another thing that maybe would be important, it's maybe your underwear or what you're putting after, right? Like, and we don't think about that, we just kind of grab the first time, but just sometimes like wearing the right, like something that make you feel good and sexy and comfortable, just change your whole attitude during the day. So you were mentioning that cotton is the best.
Cotton, something loose, airy is usually best, or go commando.
Yeah. Yeah, it's true. So you want things to breathe down there. So it's true.
You do.
Yeah. So and then like time for bed or just to relax, same thing. Like having like a nice pajama. Like sometimes we don't realize
soft,
that, but something that's soft, that you enjoy, that you feel sexy in. You know, instead of like that like big heavy thing that you look like. You know, you don't really look sexy. Sometimes just like investing in like silk or it makes you feel so much better overall. We don't realize that, but taking the time to dress well
and take the time to, when you put on your moisturizer, keep the light on, and if you have a mirror close by, look in it and tell yourself, or find a body part that you, because there's always going to be that one body part we tend to focus on that we don't like, right? But at that point in time, say something loving at your body and look at the body part you're very proud of, but nourish everything.
Yeah. Like if you caught yourself saying something negative, stop. And then turn that into something positive. And that's really how you're going to change that like mindset with your body, right?
Yeah, because everything you keep repeating, your body listens to that, your mind listens to that, right? That little secretary. So but it starts with you, right? So be accepting, be loving to your body.
And I think that word, us mentioning it again, because I can't repeat that one enough, but yes, like our subconscious, it's our little secretary, and she take everything that you're saying, like she keep it like there for you to make sure that you don't forget about it. So the more you tell that little secretary that you're ugly, that you're fat, that you don't deserve whatever, she taking note of everything, right? And then whatever you put in like your little secretary, that's your subconscious, that's your gut, that's kind of how you're gonna, I guess, like approach life, and you're not even aware of it because you have like two sides of your brain, right? So if you just change the discussion, what you tell to yourself, even if you don't even believe it, okay, if you don't even think it's true, it's just like, well, I am fat and I'm this, like, okay, just stop, just tell yourself a lie then. Then your little like secretary will like, oh, I'm pretty, I'm this and that, and then slowly your subconscious will change, and then you'll start realizing that you're making different decisions without even you noticing it. And it's just like your whole confidence, the way you walk, the way you approach people, that confidence that you don't even know where it's coming from, it's all about that. And it's proven, it's well researched, and I know it's kind of a new concept for a lot of people, but I swear it works. So when I say like fake it until you make it,
it's my favorite saying.
And it's true. Like when it comes to subconscious and like confidence, I swear it's true. Start telling yourself that you're beautiful, that you're sexy, that you're confident, that you can do this, that you eat well, that you're like full of energy, that you're working out. Even if you don't, I swear it's the first step. It's the first step. Okay. So yeah. So this is a Saturday. So hey, lie yourself all day. And I swear, like, you just take the time, wake up in the morning and say that stuff to
positive
you.
all day.
Down.
Try that.
And nothing negative. And I swear, if you do nothing else than this, like, you're golden.
It's gonna be hard to be cranky if you tell yourself positive things. I promise you that.
Yeah. So just keep at it, and I promise you'll see so many good results.
Yep.
Okay. So have a beautiful day, and that's your homework for today. Bye.